Starting high school can be intimidating, but at Palos Verdes, no one has to figure it out alone. From clubs to sports to the arts, there's truly something for everyone.
Out of all the schools that I've taught at in the past, this is a place where I really am myself.
There's a lot of things you can pursue, whether your interests are robotics or sports or academics. There's always going to be a pathway for every student.
Because we're a smaller school, students get to delve into all kinds of things.
We're starting them on this journey of exploration and allowing them to really be able to discover who they are as individuals.
Students are able to identify in the 4 short years they're here what their passion is, so that when they head into college they have a great opportunity to explore that passion even further.
Education-based athletics are a real integral part of our campus life here at Palos Verdes High School. Our students find a place where they can be a participant as well as be a supporter of their friends and classmates.
Something that we do here is that we push each other to do well in everything. There's a lot of pride in that.
Palos Verdes High School has been my launch pad to playing football at the collegiate level as well as chasing academic success.
The award-winning drama department has really helped set up my success for my future because I've learned a lot through the productions and the drama classes that we have here that I can take into my college auditions.
You can come, make connections with anybody. You'll find a place, you'll find your way.
Coming from Ridgecrest, I do feel like I was welcomed immediately by everything I'm involved in ASB. I felt welcomed by all of the grades and in my sport.
Just the energy on campus, the spirit, and the feeling of support was just amazing, and that has continued. When they go to a football game, when they come to back to school night, they're just overwhelmed by the energy.
You're going to see there's just something special about this place, and you're going to get a feeling when you're here, and you're going to know that this is a place where you can be yourself and you're going to find your family, you're going to be happy, you're going to thrive. There's no place like it.
We know that kids need more than just a standard experience in high school of going to class. They need programs that they can be passionate about, extracurricular activities that spark their interests and make them want to become interesting and exciting individuals.
This is your last chance to really be little, so enjoy every single second and every single opportunity that PV High has to offer, because you are going to attend the best high school in the world and you are going to have so much fun.
My one word to describe PV High is inspiring.
Opportunity.
Driven.
Dynamic.
Home.
Spirited.
One big happy family.
Special.